Hello, grateful. How are you? I hope you are okay. Today we will talk about decimal numbers. Fractions may have denominators 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Can be written as decimals. This point is called decimal point. Now we will learn how to read decimal numbers. Please look at this point is called decimal point. Before decimal point, this part is called whole number part. This is integer. After decimal point, this part is called decimal part. Whole number part begin with units place, tens place, hundreds place, and so on. Decimal part start with tenses place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now learn how to read decimal numbers. 1.3 is read as 1, 1, and 3 tenses. We read the whole number 1 as 1. Decimal point, we read it as and. 3 in decimal part, the first place in decimal parts is called tenses. So we read this number as 1.3 is read as 1 and 3 tenses. Another example for you, 1.34 is read as 1 and 34 hundredths. Third example for you, 1.345 is read as 1 and 345 thousandths. To make denominator be 10, 100, 1000, there are some numbers as friends. 2 times 5 equal 10. 4 times 25 equal 100. 8 times 125 equal 1000. Decimal numbers. We know that the number 23 over 10 can be written in the form of a mixed number as follows. 23 over 10 equal 20 over 10 plus 3 over 10 equal 20 over 10. 20 divided by 10 equals 2 plus 3 over 10. So the mixed number is 2 and 3 tenths. Also, this number can be written by another way, using a point that is called the decimal point as follows: 2 3/10 equal 2.3 and is read as 2 and 3/10 or 2.3. Also, 1 and 9/10 equal 1.9 and read 1 and 9/10. 12 and 5/10 equal 12.5. 12 and 5/10. 7/10 equal 0.7 and read as 7/10 and so on. Notes for you: how to write mixed numbers in form of decimals. Let's learn together. 12 5/10. This is mixed number. How to write mixed number in decimals form? First, write decimal point like this. Take care, we talk about mixed number. Write mixed number in the form of decimals, okay? When we have mixed numbers, first write decimal point, okay? Second, write whole number. This is mixed number, okay? 12 is whole number. 5/10 represent as decimal, okay? The second step after write decimal point, please write whole number before decimal point. In our problem, the whole number is 12, so we will write 12 before decimal point. Third, write decimal part. Look, decimal part in our mixed number is 5/10, okay? So, after decimal point, we will write decimal part, okay? We read this fraction 5/10 as 5/10. So, in tenths place, we write 5. So, 12 and 5/10 equal 12.5 and also read as 12 and 5/10. Now, we will learn how to write proper fractions in form of decimals. Proper fractions. This is proper fractions. Numerator is less than denominator. Are you remember? It's okay. To write proper fractions as decimals, First, write decimal point like this. Second, write the whole number. Please look at proper fraction. This is whole number. The proper fraction represents decimal part, okay? Look, there is no whole number. So we will write in whole number part, we will write 0, like this. Before decimal point, we will write 0. There is no whole number, so we will write 0. Third, write decimal part. Look at proper fraction. 7/10 represent decimal part. Okay? So after decimal point in tenths place we will put 7. Remember, 7/10 is read as 7/10. So we will write 7 in tenths place. 7/10 equal 7/10. 0.7. Now, learn how to write improper fractions in form of decimals. There are two methods. First method, 9/5. This is improper fraction, okay? We need to convert 5 in denominator to 10. So 5 times 2 equal 10. 9 times 2 equal 18. Now our improper fraction is 18/10. To write improper fraction in decimals, please do the following steps. First, write numerator. In our improper fractions, the numerator is 18. So first, write the numerator 18. Like this. Second step, write decimal point in front of 18. In front of 18, write decimal point like this. The third step, move decimal point backward. Move to left. Move decimal point backward. Move to left. Please take care. 10 have 1 0. So decimal point in front of 18 like this. As we said, 10 has only 1 0. So decimal point will move backward only one step like this. Now the decimal number is 1.8. 1 and 8 tenths. Second method. This is another example for improper fractions. To learn the second method, 18/5. This is improper fraction. The second method depends on convert improper fraction into mixed number. 18/5. We will convert the improper fraction into mixed number. 18/5 equal 15/5 plus 3/5 equal 15/5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3 plus 3/5. 3 plus 3/5 equal. We need to convert the denominator 5 to 10. So 5 times 2 equal 10. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we have 3 plus 6/10 equal 3 and 6/10. As we learned before, when we have mixed number, please write firstly decimal point, okay? Second, write the whole number. The whole number here is 3, so we will write 3. The third step, we will write the decimal part, 6/10. So we will put 6 in tenths place, like this. So the answer is 3.6 is read as 3 and 6 tenths. Decimal numbers. Drill 1. Express each of the following using the decimal point. Try to solve drill 1 as we learned before. Drill number 2. Express each of the following using the decimal point. These are mixed numbers. Try to solve this drill as we learned before. Drill 3. Convert each of the following in a decimal form as in the example. Example 9/5. This is improper fraction. We need to convert the denominator 5 to 10. So 5 times 2 equal 10. 9 times 2 equal 18. 18/10. This is improper fraction. We can put decimal point in front of 18. Observe 10 has only one zero, so decimal point will move backward only one step. So the result will be 1.8, 1 and 8 tenths. Another example, 34/20. We need to make the denominator as 10. So 20 divided by 2 equal 10. 34 divided by 2 equals 17. 17/10, this is improper fractions. So we need to put decimal point in front of 17. Observe 10 has only one zero, so decimal point will move backward one step. The result will be 1.7. Another example for you. 35 over 50. We need to convert the denominator 50 into 10. So 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So 35 over 50 equals 7 over 10. Now write the proper fraction in decimal form. Look, there is no whole number, so we will put 0. 7 over 10 means I will write 7 in tenths place. So the answer is 0.7 or 7 tenths. Another solution for another examples. 18 over 5. 18 over 5, this is improper fraction. We can convert improper fraction to mixed number as follows. 18 over 5 equal 15 over 5 plus 3 over 5 equal 15 over 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3 plus 3 over 5. We will write 3 over 5. To write the mixed number in form of decimals, we need to make denominator 5 to become 10. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now 3 plus 6 over 10 equal 3 and 6 over 10. This is mixed number, so we will write decimal point firstly and then write the whole number. The whole number here is 3, so we will write 3. In decimal part, we will write 6 over 10 means 6 tenths, so we will write 6 in tenths place. The answer is 3.6, 3 and 6 tenths. Note, the number 2.3 consists of two parts, a whole number and a decimal. 2 is the whole number part, 2 in units. 3 in decimal part, 3 in tenths place, and can be represented by the shaded part of the following figure. This figure has 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines, okay? Each line divided into 10 parts. Look, this line has 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each line divided into 10 parts. The first line has 10 parts, okay? We will color all parts. This means 10 over 10 means 1. This is 1, so we will color one line, okay? The second line, we will color the second line. 10 over 10 means 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So we will color the two lines all squares like this, means 2. The second line, we need only to color 3 squares from 10 squares. We will color 3 tenths This is in decimal part, so we will need to color 3 squares like this, okay? 3 tenths means we will color only 3 squares from 10 squares. 2.3 equal 2 and 3 tenths. 2 in units, 3 in tenths. This is decimal point, okay? Write each of the following using decimal point. Now you can solve these mixed numbers and improper fraction as we learned before. Try to answer these problems by yourself. Convert fractions in the decimal form. (14/20). We need to make denominator become 10. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7/10. We can write proper fraction in decimal form like this. 0.7. 7 tenths. Convert the decimal numbers to fractions. Now we have decimals number. We need to write decimal numbers in form of fractions. To write the numerator, please write all digits of the number without decimal point. Denominator, look at decimal part. There is 1 digit, tenths. Three tenths, you can write this as, please write the number. The number is without decimal point will be 3. Decimal point, the decimal part only in tenths, so we will write 3/10. 6.7 equal, now write the number without decimal points, okay? 6 and 7, the number is 67. Now the decimal part 7 in tenths, so we will write in denominator 10. 15.1. Please write all the number without decimals. 151, 151 over decimal part 1 in tenths, so we will write in denominator 10. Color the part represents each of the numbers. The first 9 tenths. We need to color 9 tenths. There is no whole number. This is 0, okay? So we color decimal part 9 of 10. In the first line, we will color only 9 squares to represent 9 tenths. The second one, 1.3. 1 is whole number, 3 is decimal part, 3 tenths. First, we color whole number. Whole number is 1, so we will color the first line, all squares, okay? After that, we color decimal part. In the second line, we will color 3 squares from 10. Okay? Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. This is number line. Begin with 0, end with 3. 2.1 means I will go to 2. Okay? 2 is the whole number. I will go 2. 1 tenths means I will color the first line. Okay? So this point will be 2.1. 0.3 means I will go to 0 and move 3 steps. Okay? 1, 2, 3. This is 3 tenths. 7 tenths, I will go to 0 and jump 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 tenths. 2.6 means I will go to 2. 6 tenths means I will jump 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2.6. 1.4 I will go to 1. The whole number is 1. 4 tenths means I will jump 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put 1.4 here. Write the suitable number inside each square according to its place on the number line. This is number line. Start with 3, end with 5. From 3 to 4, this is 10 jumps. From 4 to 5, there is 10 jumps. Okay? In this square, we will write 3 and 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3 tenths. In this square, we will write 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write in this square 3 and 9 tenths. In this square, we will write 4 whole number and 1, 2 tenths. In this square, we will put 4.2. In this square, we will write 4 as whole number and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. So the number in this box is 4.6. Complete the table. Please put each digit in its place. Okay? I will do an example for you. 523 and 7 tenths. In hundreds, we will put 5. In tenths, we will put 2. In units, we will put 3. In tenths, we will put 7. Okay? We can do the following as we did in our example. 39.4. In hundreds, we will put 0. There is no hundreds. In tens, we will put 3. In units, we will put 9. In tenses, we will put 4. Now, in this problem, we need to write the number. There is no hundreds, 6 in tens, 0 in units, 9 in tenses. So the number is 60 and 9 tenses, 60.9. Complete. As example, 5.7 equal. Now we will expand the number to its components. 5.7. We will expand this number as whole number and decimal number. 5.7 equal, whole number is 5 and means plus. 7 tenses, we will write 0.7. Now we will do as our example. 3.4. 3 plus 4 tenses, 0.4. 7.2 equal 7 as whole number plus 2 tenses, 0.2 as decimal part. Complete as example. 0.3 plus 0.7 equal 1. This means 3 tenses plus 7 tenses equal 10 tenses. 10 over 10 means 1. Okay? 3 tenses means 3 over 10 plus 7 tenses means 7 over 10. 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10 equal 10 over 10. 10 tenses means 1. Okay? 6 tenses plus 4 tenses equal 1. 5 tenses plus 5 tenses equal 1. 1 tenses plus 2 tenses equal 3 tenses plus 7 tenses equal 1. More about decimal numbers. Complete. 157 over 100. This is improper fraction. We can convert improper fraction to mixed number. 157 over 100 equal 100 over 100 plus 57 over 100 equal 100 divided by 100 equal 1 plus 57 over 100. 1 and 57 over 100. This number can be written using the decimal point as follows. This is mixed number, okay? 1 and 57 over 100. We can write mixed number in decimal form. So we can write first decimal point and then write the whole number is 1 in whole number part and then 57 hundredths. 57 hundredths. Okay, so in decimal part we will write 57 and is read as 1 and 57 hundredths. 3 and 14 over 100 equal 3.14. 3 and 14 hundredths. These are another examples for you. Drill 1. Write each of the following as a decimal number. Look, these numbers are mixed number, so we can write these in decimal form as we did before. 127 and 73 over 100. Please write first decimal point, okay? And then write whole number. We will write 127 in whole number before decimal point. After decimal point, we can write decimal part, 73 hundredths. So we will put 73 in decimal part, 73 hundredths. 21 over 100. Please write decimal point first and then write the whole number. There is no whole number here. Take care, this is proper fraction, okay? This is proper fraction. So we will put 0 in whole number. In decimal part, we can write 21 hundredths, okay? Note that we didn't write that number as 1.3 because in this case it means 1 and 3 tenths and not 1 and 3 hundredths. Take care. 1 and 3 tenths different from 1 and 3 hundredths, okay? Number 1 and 3 hundredths, 1 in units, 0 in tenths, 3 in hundredths, okay? This is decimal point. Drill 2. Write each of the following as decimal number. These two mixed numbers, okay? But these improper fractions, okay? In improper fractions, please write 209 first. Put decimal point here, okay, beside 209. Now 100 has 2 zeros, so decimal point will move backward 2 steps, okay? The answer will be 2.09, 2 and 9 hundredths. Another one for you, 502 over 100. This is improper fraction, so please put decimal point beside 502, okay? Look at 100 has 2 zeros, so decimal point will move backward 2 steps, 1, 2. The answer will be 5.02, 5 and 2 hundredths. It's possible to write other numbers in the decimal form as this is mixed number, okay? 8 and 11 over 50. We can write this mixed number in decimal form, but take care, the denominator is 50. But to write this mixed number in decimal form, we need the denominator be 10 or 100, okay? Now we can make 50 become 100 like this. 8 and 11 over 50. 50 times 2 equal 100. 11 times 2 equal 22. Now we can write this mixed number in decimal form. 8 and 22 hundredths. This exam we can do in another method, okay? Take care, the denominator here is 50. We cannot make 50 to be 10 because 50 divided by 5 equal 10, but take care, 11 divided by 5. 11 is not divisible by 5, so we cannot use divided by 5. You must use times 2. 50 times 2 equal 100. 11 times 2 equal 22. Please take care. Another example for you, 8 and quarter. We can write this mixed number in decimal form, but take care, the denominator is 4. We need to make it 10. Make it 100. 4 can't become 10. The friend of 4 is 25. Okay, so 4 times 25 equal 100. 1 times 25 equal 25. The mixed number now 8 and 25 over 100. We can write it as, write the decimal point, okay? Write the whole number 8 and then write the decimal part 25. The last example for you, 47 and 2 over 25. We need to make the denominator to be 100. The friend of 25 is 4. 25 times 4 equal 100. 2 times 4 equal 8. So 47 and 8 over 100 can be written in decimal form. Please, this is mixed number, so we can write first decimal point, okay? And then write the whole number. The whole number here is 47, so we will write 47. And decimal part, we will write 8 hundredths. Take care, 8 hundredths. We need to write 0 in tenths, 8 in hundredths. Please take care. Drill 3. Write each of the following as a decimal. These are mixed number. Okay? These two fraction. This is proper fraction and this is improper fraction. 27 over 4. We can write improper fraction in mixed number. 27 over 4 equal 24 over 4 plus 3 over 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Okay, and write 3 over 4. The mixed number is 6 and 3/4. Now we need to make denominator 4 to become 100. 4 times 25 equal 100. 3 times 25 equal 75. Now the mixed number is 6 and 75 over 100. This is mixed number, so we write first decimal point, okay? And then write the whole number 6. And then write the decimal part 75. Write in the decimal part 75. 3/50. We need to make 50 100, okay? So 50 times 2 equal 100. 3 times 2 equal 6. Now our fraction is 6 over 100 equal. There is no whole number, so we will put 0. 6 over 100 means we will put 0 in tenths, 6 in hundreds. Please take care. Complete. 1007 over 1000 equal. This is improper fraction. The numerator is greater than denominator, okay? We can write this improper fraction as mixed number. So we will do as follows. 1000 over 1000 plus 7 over 1000 equal 1000 divided by 1000 equal 1 plus 7 over 1000 equal 1 and 7 over 1000. In this case, the number is written as follows. 1 and 7 over 1000 equal. This is mixed number, so we can write decimal point firstly, okay, and then write the whole number. The whole number here is 1, so we will write 1 in the whole number part, okay? Now we will write 7 over 1000. So in decimal part we need to write 0 in tenths, 0 in hundreds, 7 in thousands, okay? And is read as 1 and 7 thousandths. The number 1 and 7 thousandths can be written as 1 in units, 0 in tenths, 0 in hundreds, 7 in thousandths. Drill 4. Notes and complete. 3 over 10 equal. If we multiply the denominator times 10, 10 times 10 equal 100, and also numerator times 10, 3 times 10 equals 30. Now 3 over 10 equal 30 over 100. 3 tenths equal 30 hundredths, because 30 over 100. You can remove this 0 with this 0, so 3 over 10. equal 30 over 100. Okay? 40 over 100 equal, if we divide it by 10, 100 divided by 10, 40 divided by 10. 40 divided by 10, 0, remove with this 0. 4 divided by 1 equal 4. 100 divided by 10, remove this 0 with this 0. 10 divided by 1 equal 10. Now 40 over 100 equal 4 over 10. 40 hundredths equal 4 tenths. Okay? 2 tenths equal 20 hundredths. Okay? 70 hundredths equal 7 tenths. 1 tenth equal 10 hundredths. Notes and complete. 0.47 equal, we can expand this number. There is no whole number, okay? We can expand 0.47 equal 0.077 hundredths plus 4 tenths. Take care. 4 in tenths, 7 in hundredths. So 47 hundredths equal 7 hundredths plus 4 tenths. We can do as our example. 0.68 equal, we can write the tenths or hundredths, okay? So 6 tenths plus 8 hundredths. Take care. We put 0.08. 8 hundredths. 6 tenths, we write 0.6. The third one, we can expand this number. 2 is a whole number, so we can write 2. Plus 3 in tenths, we can write 0.3. Plus in hundredths, we can write 0.05. 0.2 equal 0.20. 0.70 equal 0.7. 0.1 equal 0.10. Example. Convert each of the following numbers from fractions to decimal numbers. This is mixed number, okay? 3 and 9 over 1000. This is proper fraction, 117 over 500. The first one, 3 and 9 over 1000. This is mixed number, so we can write first decimal point, okay? And then write whole number. The whole number here is 3. We can write 3. 9 over 1000 means we will put 0 in tenths, 0 in hundredths. We will put 9 in thousandths. Okay, please take care. 117 over 500. We must use times 2, not divided by 5, because 117 is not divisible by 5. 500 times 2 equal 1000. 117 times 2 equal 234. This is proper fraction, so we will write decimal point. There is no whole number, so we will put 0. In the decimal part, we will write 234. Drill 6. Write as a decimal number. 3 over 8. This is proper fraction. 8 and 125 are friends, okay? 8 times 125 equal 1000. 3 times 125 equal 375. This is proper fraction, so we can write decimal point. There is no whole number, so we will put 0. In decimal part, we can write 375. 7 over 125. We can multiply 125 times 8 equal 1000. 7 times 8 equal 56. This is proper fraction. There is no whole number, okay? We will put 0. In decimal part, we can write. Take care when you write the decimal part. 56 over 1000. 1000 means in decimal part we have tenths, hundreds, thousands. You must write 6, okay, in the thousands, and then 5 in hundreds. Now there is no digit here, so we will put 0 in tenths. Okay? The answer will be 0.056, 56 thousandths. 3 over 200. 200 times 5 equal 1000. 3 times 5 equal 15. This is proper fraction, so we can write decimal point. There is no whole number, so we can write 0. Okay? 15 over 1000. Please take care. In decimal part, 1000 mean in decimal part we have tenths, hundreds, thousands. Okay? Begin with the number 5. We put it in thousands. Okay? 1 in hundreds. Now there is no digit here. We will put 0 in tenths. The number is 0.015. 15 thousandths. 11 over 250. We know 25 is friend with 4, so we can use multiply by 4. 250 times 4 equal 1000. 11 times 4 equal 44. 44 over 1000. This is proper fraction, okay? So we can write decimal point first and then write the whole number. There is no whole number here. We will put 0, okay? Now we will write the decimal part. Please take care. 1000 means we have tenths place, hundreds place, thousands place, okay? Put 4, this 4 in thousands, and put this 4, the next 4 in hundreds. There is no digit here, okay? So we will put 0 in tenths. The answer is 0.044. The answer is 44 thousandths. Write each of the following as a decimal number. We can do as we learned before. 26 and 1 over 25. We can make the denominator is 100. 25 times 4 equal 100. 1 times 4 equal 4. Okay? This is mixed number. We can write decimal point first and then write the whole number. The whole number here is 26. Write 26. Okay? And the decimal point, take care. This is 4 over 100. Okay? 100 means we have tenths and hundreds. 4 over 100, please write the 4 in hundreds. Okay? And there is no digit here. We can put 0. 27 over 500. This is proper fraction. We can make the denominator to be 1000. 500 times 2 equal 1000. 27 times 2 equal 54. 54 over 1000 equal, we can write decimal point. There is no whole number, so we can write 0. 54, take care. 54 over 1000. 1000 means we have tenths, hundreds, thousands. 54, write 4 in thousands, 5 in hundreds, and there is no digit. We can put 0 in tenths. Okay? The answer is 54 hundredths. Convert each of the following numbers from fractional form to the decimal form. 300. We can make this denominator to be 100. 300 divided by 3 equal 100. 1002 divided by 3 equal 334. This is improper fraction, so we can put decimal point here, okay, beside 334, 100 means we can, decimal point, move backward 2 steps. 1, 2. We can put decimal point here, 3.34. Please take care. We can't use times in this problem. You must use divided by 3. Another one, 14 over 2000. You can use divided by 2. 2000 divided by 2 equal 1000. 14 divided by 2 equal 7. Okay? 7 over 1000. This is proper fraction. We can write decimal point. There is no whole number, so we will put 0. 7 in 1000. Take care. 1000 means we have in decimal part 3 places. Tenths, hundreds, thousands. We will put 7 in thousands, okay? There is no digit here, we will put 0 in hundreds. There is no digits here, we will put 0 in tenths. So the answer is 7,000. Take care, we can't use times in this problem. You must use divided by. Write each of the following decimal numbers as a mixed number. To write decimal numbers as mixed number, you should do as follows. Firstly, write the whole number. Secondly, don't write decimal point. Thirdly, write decimal fraction. Numerator, write all digits after decimal point. Denominator, look at decimal part. There is 1 digit, means tenths. Look at decimal part. There is 2 digits, means hundreds. Look at decimal part. There is 3 digits, means thousands. Now we will do the steps together. 3.1. This is decimal number. We want to write this decimal number in form of mixed number. Okay? First, write the whole number. The whole number is 3. We will write 3. Okay? We don't write decimal point. After decimal point, there is 1. Okay? 1 I will put in numerator 1. The denominator, we will write 10 because this is 1 digit in decimal part. 1 digit means 1 place. 1 place is tenths. Tenths means 10. So I will put in denominator 10. The next one, 17.23. This is decimal number. We want to write as mixed number. First, write the whole number. The whole number is 17. Write 17. Okay? Don't write decimal point. The decimal part is 23. Write in numerator 23. 23 in decimal part, 2 digits. 2 digits means tenths, hundreds. So I will put in denominator 100. 2 digits means hundreds, so I will put 100 in denominator. The next one, 5.017. This is decimal number. I will write it as mixed number. The whole number is 5. I will put 5. Okay? Don't write decimal point. Write the digits after decimal. The digits after decimal is 17. So I will write 17 in numerator. Now I want to write denominator. Look at decimal part. There is tenses, hundreds, thousands. 3 digit. 3 digit means thousands. So I will write 1000 in denominator. The next one, 28.1 thousandths. I will write the whole number, 28. Don't write decimal point. I will put 1 in numerator. Over. In decimal part, there is tenses, hundreds, thousands. So I will put 1000 in denominator. The last one, 6.09. 6 and 9 hundredths. Write the whole number. 6 is the whole number. Don't write decimal point. In numerator, I will put 9. Okay? This is 2 digit in decimal part, so I will write 100. Write the suitable number inside each rectangle according to its place on the number line. This is number line. Begin with 7 tenses. End with 8 tenses. This is decimal numbers, okay? This is the middle between 7 tenses and 8 tenses. Please look at decimal numbers. You will find these numbers and decimal part has 2 digits. But take care. The number line numbers is tenses, 7 tenses, 8 tenses. So, to solve this problem, we need to put 0 after 7. So, the number is 70 hundredths. And also put 0 after 8. So, the number is 80 tenses. 80 hundredths. 70 hundredths. 80 hundredths. Now we can write the decimal numbers as follows. After 70 in decimal part, 71. This is the first jump, 71. So we will put 71 hundredths. 72, 73. I will write 73 hundredths. 74, 75. I will write 75 hundredths. 76, 77, 78, 79. I will write 79 hundredths. The last is 80 hundredths. Write the suitable number inside each rectangle according to its place on the number line. This is number line. Begin with 2.52 and end with 2.54. Okay? 2.52, 2.53, 2.54. Look, the decimal part is 2 digits. Okay? The decimal part, 2 digits. But take care, the numbers, decimal numbers here is thousands decimal part. This is 3 digits in decimal part, thousands. 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 But the decimal numbers on number line are 2 digits, hundreds. Okay, so to solve this problem, we need to put 0 after 2, like this. Put 0, the number is 2 and 520 thousandths, 2 and 530 thousandths, 2 and 540 thousandths. Now we can write the decimal part. After 520 is 521, 522, 523. So we will put, take care, the whole number remains the same, doesn't change. Okay, so we will put the whole number the same and write 523 thousandths. After 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529. So we will write 2 and 529 thousandths. And so on. 530, 531. I will write 2 and 531 thousandths. 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537. So we will write 2 and 537. 538, 539, 540. Write suitable numbers inside the rectangles according to their place on the number line. This is number line. Begin with 23 and 15 hundredths, end with 23 and 16 hundredths. We need to write the empty squares on the number line. There is no decimal numbers to write. We need to discover the numbers. Okay? Look at the decimal part. First, the whole number 23. The whole number doesn't change, okay? Remain the same. But look at the decimal part. 15 hundredths, 16 hundredths. After 16, after 15, 16. So what I can do to solve this problem? To find the decimal numbers between 23 and 15 hundredths, 23 and 16 hundredths, we need to put 0 after 5 and also put 0 after 6. So the number is 23 and 150 thousandths. 23 and 160 thousandths. Now we can write the decimal numbers between them. After 150, 151, 152. So we will put 23.152 thousandths. After 152, 153, 154. So the number is 23.154. The decimal part is thousandths, okay? After 154, 155, 156. So I will write 23.156. After 156, 157, 158, 159. So I will write 23.159. Complete as in the example. This is expand 4. The number 74 and 531 thousandths. We will expand this number to its component. The first part, whole number, 74, plus the second part, decimal part. We will write 0.531 thousandths. We will write 0 because we separate the whole number, okay? The whole number is 74, plus we will write the decimal part, so we will write 0 in the whole number, 0.531. Now we will expand the decimal part, okay? We will write 74, the whole number, plus now we will expand the decimal part, 531 thousandths. The first place is tenths, so I will write 5 tenths, okay? Plus 5 tenths means 0.5. The next place is hundredths. There is 3 in hundredths, so I will write 3 hundredths, 0.03, plus 1 in thousandths, okay? So I will write 1 thousandths, 0.0 tenths, 0 hundredths, 1 in thousandths, okay? As example, we will solve this problem. But take care. The missing decimal number, okay? We will begin with the expand form. 103 plus 1 tenths plus 2 thousandths, okay? This is the whole number, 103. and this is the decimal number. 103 and 102 thousandths. I will write 103, the whole number, plus I will make plus for these two numbers. 0.1 plus 0.002. The number is 102 thousandths. Now we need to find the decimal number. 103 plus 102 thousandths. The number is 103 and 102 thousandths. Write the value of the digit 4 in each of the following numbers. In this table, we will find place value of digit 4 and the value of digit 4. The first number, 4.503. 4 is in units place, so its value will be 4. The next number, 42.37. The place value of digit 4 is tenths, okay? And its value is 40. The next number is 11.46. 46, this is decimal part, okay? 4 in tenths place, so I will write tenths. Place value of digit 4 is tenths, and its value 4 in tenths, its value 4 tenths, 0.4. The next number, 241 thousandths. Digit 4 in the second place in decimal part. The second place in decimal part is hundredths. 4 in hundredths place value. The value of digit 4 in hundredths is 4 hundredths, 0.04. The next number, 27.34 thousandths. Digit 4 in decimal part. In the third place is thousandths, and its value 4 thousandths, 0.004. The next number, 104 thousandths. 4 in decimal part. In the thousandths place value, and its value is 4 thousandths, 0.004. The next number is 704 and 16 hundredths. 4 in units place, and its value 4. The last number, 4 thousandths. 4 in decimal part. In the thousandths place value, and its value 4 thousandths, 0.004. 3.004. Underline the tens digit and circle the tens digit in each of the following numbers, as in the example. Take care. Tens digit and tens digit, okay? Underline the digit in tens place and circle the digit in tens place. Good time for you.